Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a home decor video about how to jazz up your plain walls using wall paint and stencils. So these are the things that we'll be requiring. A stencil of your choice. I've taken this kind of a design. Paint. So this is Asian Paints Royale Luxury Emulsion. I've got the shade made at the store itself. It's a kind of hot pink wine color. Masking tape to fix the stencil on the wall. A roller, a small roller like this to put the paint on the stencil. A paint tray. Now we're also going to be showing you the wall on which we're going to do this wall stencil on. So this is the living room wall which I'm going to do the wall stencil on. So this is the stencil that we're going to use for this room, and it has leaves on it. And since we wanted to use the leaves in 3 different parts, so we've cut this, as you can see here, into 3 different pieces. So this is the final look of the wall after we did the wall stencils. I hope you like the look. All the prices of the products used, I'll be giving it in the description box. And if you liked our video, please like and share, and also consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.